Boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. I'm dealing with the elements today. It's a little windy, a little overcast, but it's a great day. I'm in the desert Southwest in America. My friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are in this beautiful world of ours. I wish you a good day, good evening, good night, my friends. My friends, The Scoop is for your education, your information, and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author, I'm a researcher. I research these companies and I take a look at them in these different sectors. We do technical analysis, we do fundamental analysis. But one thing that separated us during the dot-coms was our physical analysis, where we went and we found out exactly what was going on with these companies. We went, knocked on these doors, we found out what was going on, my friends. And that's where we stood out from the crowd, friends. Got a couple things I want to talk to you about today. I want to talk to you about getting some signatures. Let's get some signatures from these legislators and get this stuff with cannabis on the road, my friends. Also, I want to talk to you about Bitcoin for a second. I want to talk to you about uranium for a second, my friends. You know, we're waiting for New York right now to, New York has till the end of the month to get it together with their cannabis bill. We understand with REC, I understand that they've reached an agreement. Well, we want a signature. We want the governor to sign off on it. Same with New Mexico. We understand they're going to have a special session and they're going to call everybody in, and we want them to sign off on that also. We are looking forward, my friends, to having that bill signed in both of those states. We're also looking forward to our Mexico cannabis trade. We want the president of Mexico to sign off on his legislation. Hopefully they have a bill that they can agree to, which is a great thing, my friends. That bill, that particular bill that they are going to agree to, the one in New York, my friends, I understand that they've reached, there was a problem with recreational being sold in the same place as medicinal, and maybe they worked that out. Oh, it's real windy, real windy. I hope you guys aren't hearing all this. I apologize right now for the sound if it's that bad. But let's take a look, my friends, at our Mexico cannabis trade as we update some of these stocks. We've got Blueberry Medical. They're on their about on their 50-day moving average. We'll see if that 13.5 or so, 13 can hold. We'll see how that goes, my friends. But they're there. If it goes down and blows down below that, no, I don't believe it's going back to the 3 where we originally purchased it at 3 cents. No, but you may have a buying opportunity or may have an opportunity to add to Blueberry's Medical, my friends. Chiron Life Sciences, it's at its 200-day move. Well, it's really it's at its 200-day moving averages or so. It's about about 5 cents above or so. It's 200-day moving average at 45. Yeah, about 40. If it goes below 40 cents, guys, then it may go down a little lower, and you'll have an opportunity to add or take an initial position with Chiron Life Sciences. We can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold anything. I can't tell you to take a look at Marijuana Today, Vanadium, and Uranium Tomorrow, which is one of those books companies are looking buy, sell, and hold on to, and get in early and just hold those companies and grow rich. I can tell you about those companies, my friends, in the book there. Also, Pharmacilo. Pharmacilo, it's at its 200-day moving average. It's just above it, my friends. We'll see. It's at $1.40 or so. We'll see how far it goes down. If it goes down, right in those areas are what the stocks are right now, my friends. And yes, we are waiting for some legalese from Mexico, which will definitely move these stocks in one way or the other, my friends, as the uncertainty of let's say the uncertainty of Mexico. Wall Street hates uncertainty, and when these bills are not signed, companies like with New York, you know, Cresco Labs, companies like Green Thunder Industries, companies that we own, those companies will take a hit as long as the uncertainty is there. We get that signature that the uncertainty is out of the way, and then stocks do what they're supposed to do. Once again, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, my friends. Like and share these videos. If you've made any money with the scoop, give me a thumbs up, man. Give me a like, man. That's the least you can do, right? Give me a like. Give me a like. Give me a like. It's like I'm begging for likes. Guys, segue over to Bitcoin. Let's segue over to Bitcoin. When I last spoke with you here a few days ago, Bitcoin was at 57, 56, 58 or so. But I told you 57 to 60 is where it was hanging out. Well, we broke to the downside, right? So we're at about 50, 51, 52. Let's see if we bounce from that 50 and we're within that 50, 60, 50, 60. We do some time. We could do 6 months between 50 and 60. I doubt it, but I'm just saying we could do some time between those two areas, my friends. So we'll see how Bitcoin goes. I did give you some ancillary companies. Those companies were also hit with as Bitcoin goes down, those companies go down also, my friends. So it may be a buying opportunity. Who knows? Take a look. Our companies that we got in extremely early, I don't believe they're going to be going back down to those levels. I don't believe High Blockchain will be going down to under 10 cents. I don't believe Riot Blockchain will be going down under $1. It may, but I don't think we'll get those levels again where we back the truck up and piled in. I don't believe HUT 8 is going back down under 40 cents where we back the truck up and piled in on these stocks. No, you made money, take profits. If you're up thousands of percent, my friends, it's never a bad idea to take profits. If you've been trading in and out, take your 100%, your 200%, take your profits, my friends. Take profits. That's what we do on the scoop. We don't need to be some of the companies. I get where I want more also, just like you. We all want more. But, my friends, I can tell you right now that I am, some of the stocks have gone down, but some of them I'm still up 300 and 400%. You guys hear that? That's the sound of freedom, my friends. That's a fighter going over me, getting his practice in, you know, getting ready to make sure he ain't dropping nothing, you know. So military guys, you know, when the fighters go up above us, we often take a look up and say, you know what, making sure that he's not dropping a load on. Never mind, you guys. That's some of you. That. But anyway, we expect Bitcoin to let's see what it does. If it breaks up, then we can go 60, 65, 70. You know, if it breaks down, my friends, that you guys said maybe weren't around in 2017 or so when it really, you know, we take a 50, 60, 70% hit. It can go from 60 to 30, guys. So don't rule that out. I mean, that's why I say take your profits. If you're up, like we are up big, and that's what we do. We get in early. So when we have a pullback like this, it's not really that depressing for us. That's depressing for everyone, but it's not really a killer, you know, for us, you know. But that's what's going on right now with Bitcoin, my friends. Bitcoin goes up and Bitcoin goes down. Our ancillary stocks go up and they go down. You know, our miners up and they go down real fast. But let's segue, my friends, over to uranium, as the spot price has done a little bit this week. You guys, you know, came in a week, it was like 27 or so, $28 a pound, and it's up around 30 now. You know, a couple things have happened. Yellow Cake, they exercised their option with Kaskataprom. I haven't said that in a while, huh? Because they've been closed, but they want 100 million pounds they have an agreement with them, and they're going to exercise that option and take physical delivery. Denison Mines and Uranium Energy bought over the counter. I would say over the counter. They bought millions of pounds also, and that kind of helped the market. Let's see if other companies follow and do what Denison and did, as our baby knockout. Denison, this is my third uranium bull market. How to invest in uranium now is out there, my friends. As you know, in there on page 53, you have the top 10 uranium stocks to buy now. But pages before that, I go over companies, my friends, that did well in the first 2 uranium bull markets for me. They did well. And I've made a lot of money on uranium, my friends. Uranium has been good to me. When I was in the Navy, uranium has been good to me. So we look at that, and that takes care of itself, my friends. But we expect uranium to do very well. We expect uranium to do very well, and we expect to one day be able to say, hey, I looked at this book and I got a stock or 2 out of there on Mickey D's top 10 list, and I'm very wealthy now, or I was able to pay off my car. I was able to pay off this or do that. But to lead up to that, there are baby knockouts in there that out of Canada and out of all areas. Sure, we're working right now with my private subscribers right now, my private Scoop Team subscribers. We're doing the African uranium super trade right now. We'll be disclosing those stocks probably in days and weeks to come, my friends. But we expect big things out of uranium. And we're hearing from Washington that they've gone from millions of dollars going to uranium to billions of dollars going to uranium. That's about all I can say about that, because this is only rumored stuff, guys. But I did get from some of my reliable sources. I did get some pretty heavy, shall I say, I did get some really good sound information. So we'll see exactly how that goes, my friends. I want to get a little side note here, my friends. Have you guys seen the pictures of the Suez Canal there? Have you guys seen that ship that cargo ship that has run aground in the Suez Canal? Now you guys know there are like over 50 ships come through there a day. Sorry about that, but there are over 50 ships come through there a day, bringing commerce from the east to the west and the west to the east, my friends. That may mean higher prices at the store, my friends. Your furniture here in a month or so, you may not realize it may take weeks, or it's going to at least take days to remove that big cargo ship that has run aground, I believe, in the Suez Canal. My friends, the closest I can get to you is I was on an aircraft carrier in the Navy, and that aircraft is a nuclear-powered carrier. I cannot confirm or deny that we carried nukes, my friends. But anyway, as we transition through the Strait of Hormuz, have you guys ever been to that area? Anybody ever been through that area there? The strait where you can see one side and then you can see like the other side in the Strait of Hormuz. That particular area, my friends, is like really, really a tight area. And we could have, in that strait, that area there, you got to cut your engines off and everything. You got to be really, really careful. And I don't know about this cargo ship, but this cargo ship may have a problem, may have some sort of an issue. I don't know. But I do know food and furniture prices and a lot of other stuff may be going up. That's just a tip for you guys. There's a lot of commerce going through the Suez Canal. So we'll see exactly how that plays, and we'll see how that plays out. Maybe even in our stocks. I don't believe so far they're going to touch our areas right now. I don't believe there's going to be. We should be okay right now. I'm just saying that, just roughly hearing this, and know that we get a lot of, America gets a lot of, the Americas get a lot of things from that area, as things have to go through the Suez Canal, and a lot of ships with a lot of things for us to enjoy our lifestyle. So put it this way: in 90 days, if this continues to be a problem with the Suez Canal, in 90 days, we all maybe have a different lifestyle, shall I say. Now, I'm not an alarmist or anything. I'm just telling you the canal is closed. And that's how we get a lot of commerce. That's all I'm saying. Look no further into this, guys. Sure, some prices will go up probably in the stores. We get our furniture. Let's face it, we get a lot of goods from China in America, and we get a lot of goods from the East. Just put it that way. The Suez Canal is closed. Keep an eye on that. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Give me a like. Let me know you're out there, my friends. Help the algorithm. Love you. Take care of you and your family. If I don't talk to you till this weekend, you have a great weekend. But keep an eye on those sectors, my friends. Keep an eye on those governors. We want signatures. We want bills signed. That is the concrete evidence that our stocks are going to go up for years and years and years to come. Sure. Are they going to go up in a straight line? No. Stocks don't go up in a straight line, my friends. They come down and then they go back up. They come down and then they go back up. That's healthy. A correction for Bitcoin to go down to another 5,000 is healthy, my friends. Don't look at it as, I'm going to die. No. It's healthy. Corrections are healthy. And when you learn, my friends, like I have over the years, that you wait for times when there are corrections. You wait for corrections. If you have cash on the sidelines, you wait for corrections, my friends. And if we get a nice little correction, that will be good for the market. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.